and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full face of Colourpop. Everything on my face is Colourpop except for the primer, the lashes, and the brows. I only put a little bit of gimme brow, but everything else is 100% Colourpop. I'm using this main squeeze palette and I know it's so beautiful. I know that this look, these little hearts and everything, isn't for everybody, so I do the look before, like without putting the hearts on, and then I show you guys how you can wear it without the hearts. So if you see the hearts and you're like, whoa, don't worry, if you enjoy it. I really like all these Colourpop products. Colourpop is super affordable and I really love their brand and I'm gonna continue to support them. They're cruelty free. Before we get started, please be sure to subscribe and follow me on my socials. Just jump into the video. I already had my eyelashes put on because, funny story, I already did this look. Like, I already did the whole makeup and I took all my pictures. The only thing was that I didn't use everything Colourpop. I got like some gel eyeliners that I want to try on camera. I got their no filter setting powder and I bought their contour, some lippies, and the main event, which is what is on my eyes, the main squeeze palette. I already have primer. I used the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I don't have a primer from Colourpop. Sorry, like I said, I don't get sent stuff. So I want to try this where you put on the concealer before you put on the foundation. But concealer definitely is something that I need and love because my under eyes are so bad. To be honest with you guys, I don't really want to wear foundation, but I'm just gonna take it off after this video. This was like my personal everyday to day. I would probably just put on concealer and then be done. But no, I'm gonna put on the foundation for y'all because I actually do want to try their stick. I like foundation sticks for the most part. And it's their no filter foundation sticks. It's their no filter concealer in the shade medium 26. It's honestly a pretty good match. I was really nervous buying stuff online because you really don't know your shade and how it's gonna look in person because the swatches can totally be deceiving. I really like it, honestly. I think that it did a good job of covering my discoloration and it did good on my under eyes. I would just need a little bit more, but I'm gonna put more after I put on the foundations. So this is their no filter stick. I got the shade medium 91 or W. You get 0.34 ounces of product. Turn up. I'm going to read y'all the description. I want to know if it's matte because I'm oily and if the foundation isn't matte, I don't want it. Like, I don't want it at all. Swipe, blend, and go with no filter sticks. It conceals, corrects, and perfects for a flawless complexion in seconds. Its medium buildable coverage instantly blurs pores, covers blemishes, and blends effortlessly for a natural skin-like finish. Oh, that kind of sucks. I was kind of hoping it was going to be matte. Never cakey or drying. The stick glides on for the easiest application. Perfectly portable. Take it on the go for mess-free touch-ups anytime, anywhere. So this color is pretty good, I think. Like closer to like a satin finish. But I wanted to put this on for y'all so you guys can see on camera how it looks on my skin. Very natural. I didn't put that much on. I put a couple of swipes. It looks good on my skin. What do y'all think? Let me know. Honestly, concealer's great. The foundation, I'm not sure. I mean, it's actually dried up, which is surprising. Now I don't really feel it that much anymore. So this is their no filter. It's hecka small, like my hands are small already. Honestly though, how quickly do you go through a setting powder? I'm gonna set it under the eyes, set it everywhere. To be honest, I love me some powder. powder just makes your makeup look a little bit more flawless. Like if you feel like your eyes are still dark, throw some powder and honestly it'll cover up. You see how that just made my under eyes look way better. This is pretty good. I mean, I've only tried it like right now, but I like it. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it off and then I'll be right back, like with a brush. So the next thing I got was bronzer, and comes with a cute little mirror. I don't know what shade this is. I'll have to look at my order because I threw away the packaging, because you have to actually buy this little pan. This little Colourpop mirror pan, you have to buy it for like an extra $2. I was honestly mad. Like I was like, why doesn't it just come like that? Like what the heck? Why do I have to buy it? I thought it was gonna be too light for me, but it's actually perfect. So I wanna do an eyeliner. I don't know if I wanna do the purple one or if I wanna do this pretty blue. Maybe I'll do purple just to keep the like vibes. This is the shade Prince. Oh wow. Oh wow, these glide so amazingly. Whoa. Wow, that's so pretty. This janky old highlight in the shade Flexitarian. This shade is honestly really good, but I broke it, unfortunately. I use my fingers to apply it. That's the best way to apply these Super Shock cheek shadows, just with your finger. I love these highlights for when I'm not wearing like a lot of makeup because it just blends in with my skin really nice. Highlight, yes, yes. So now I'm gonna put on the shade Ziggy. So you can totally just wear the look like this. Or you can do little hearts. So this is the palette that I was using. And I mostly just used these two shades right here. That froze color. And I just started to blend it down like this. Okay, now that that's on, I look a little crazy, so I just take a little bit. It's okay if they're like kind of janky. The rest of your makeup's cute, so like nobody's gonna be like, what the heck? One heart. So I know that in my picture I have more hearts. You can just add more, but since I already did this look like 3 times, I'm just gonna stop there. Here you go. If you want to look like an e-girl, then there you go. You got it like this. I think makeup is a lot of fun. I really hope that you guys like this look. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. This baby fat shirt, by the way, I got it at Forever 21. I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to follow me on my socials. Thanks for watching.